We got flood waters, got issues.
11 feet. Flood waters will cover Riverside Park in Cramerton and inundate Goat Island Park. Flood waters will approach Riverside Drive near 5th and 6th Streets in Cramerton and may also approach homes along Catawba Run Road, near the street and gush. Hoyle Creek floodwaters, possibly due to backwater effects from the South Fork Catawba River, may begin to impact the old Willis School Road Bridge near Sandcastle Road. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, April 27th, 2023.
And that was a nice catch. And no one in catch too. Should come on TV. If it comes on TV, I'll come back. It's on TV! Now.
A flood warning is in effect for the South Fork Catawba River at Lowell. As the river rises to near 11 feet, flood waters will cover Riverside Park in Cramerton and inundate Goat Island Park. Flood waters will approach Riverside Drive near 5th and 6th Streets in Cramerton and may also approach homes along Catawba Run Road, near the street and gush. Hoyle Creek floodwaters, possibly due to backwater effects from the South Fork Catawba River, may begin to impact the old Willis School Road Bridge near Sandcastle Road.
To their neighbors, the next town, the next city, to know that they trust me,
Hi.
to know that I made an impact.
Maybe some more cup, who knows?
Hopefully help them in some way.
Here we go! Here we go! Isn't it go off?
Flooding throughout the Rocky River headwaters will continue to rise this morning due to excess runoff from earlier heavy rainfall. Watch for developing flooding along Back Creek near Farm Mill Road, Robinson Church Road, and Stallings Road. Flooding along Rocky River Road and Sequoia Hill Road will develop as the morning wears on and possibly encroach Poplar Head Road. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KJY 85 broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower in Mooresville, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. This transmitter is
Well, how to stop too?
in southern Piedmont of North Carolina. The current time is 7:13